afternoon class. Everybody happy? Today I am going to teach you about voice. Let us write for example C WRITES. She writes a LETTER letter. ACTIVE active VOICE voice. She writes a letter. While changing the voice of a verb, we interchange the position of the subject and object. Now, a letter, a letter. I have already written some verbs. They are in the big box. They are kept in a big box. Is, am, are, was, were, be, been, being. Is, am, are. These verbs are used for only simple present. A letter is. If the subject is singular, it will take singular verb is. If the subject is plural, it will take plural verb are. If the subject is I, it will take am. Now let us see these two examples. A letter is WRITTEN, written by me. PV, passive voice. Write, WRITE, write. V1, WROTE, wrote. V2, WRITTEN, written. V3, a letter is written by her. In these two sentences, in the first sentence, the subject ACTS acts, that's why it is called active voice. In the second sentence, a letter is the subject, it is acted upon, that's why it is called passive voice. Which active and which passive? In the first sentence, the subject she is active to work. In the second sentence, a letter is not active, it doesn't act, it is acted upon from the object. It is acted upon from the object, that's why it is called passive voice. Is written is the verb of the passive voice. Similarly, we can see another example. SEE, or BIRD, bird. AB, active voice. Subject plus V1 plus object. A bird. BIRD, a bird is she, saw, seen. A bird is SEEN, seen by me. PV, passive voice. In these two sentences, in the first sentence, the subject is active, which active and which passive. In the second sentence, the subject of bird is passive, it is acted upon. In the first sentence, the subject I is active, it acts. A bird is seen by me. I see a bird. म एउटा चरा देख्छु, देख्ने काममा आई सक्रिय छ. A bird is seen by me. मद्वारा एउटा चरा देखिन्छ, देख्ने काममा यो चाहिँ म यता पछाडिबाट काम गरिरहेको छ अनि अबर्ड चाहिँ के छ त प्यासिभ छ, अर्कैले देखिन्छ यसलाई। त्यस कारणले यो चाहिँ 2 नम्बर वाक्य के हो त प्यासिभ हो। While changing the voice of a verb, we can interchange the position of the subject and object. Similarly, we can see another example. My father, F-A-T-H-E-R, my father, L-O-V-E-S, loves me, a active voice, and I, when there is a subject I in a sentence, it will take am. When the subject is singular, it will take each. When the subject is plural, it will take are. I am L-O-V-E-D, loved by my F-A-T-H-E-R, father, PV, passive voice. I am loved, and therefore am loved is said to be in the passive voice. The verb am loved is said to be in the passive voice. In the first sentence, the subject my father is active, which active and which passive. In the second sentence, the subject I is passive. It doesn't act, it is acted upon. It is acted upon. Okay, are you clear? Let us see another example. M-I-N-A, Mina, H-E-L-P-S, helps, M-A-N-J-U, Manju, A-V, active voice. Okay, while changing the voice of a verb, we interchange the position of the subject and object. This object, which is the subject in this sentence, Mina is the subject in this sentence, helps is the main verb, and Manju is the object in this sentence. Okay, the subject becomes object into the passive voice. M-I-N-A, Manju, M-I-N-A, Mina, H-E-L-P-S, Mina helps, M-A-N-J-U, Manju, A-V, active voice, M-A-N-J-U, Manju is H-E-L-P-E-D, helped by, M-I-N-A, Mina, P-V, passive voice. Mina helps Manju. Minaले मन्जुलाई मद्दत गर्छन्. Manju is helped by Mina. Minaद्वारा मन्जुलाई चाहिँ के गरिन्छ त मद्दत गरिन्छ. Is helped, the verb is helped is said to be in the passive voice. If the subject is singular, it takes is. If the subject is plural, it takes are. If there is I in a subject, it will take am. Let us see another example. I-T-E-A-C-H, I teach, T-H-E-M, them, A-C-T-I-V-E, active. VOIC, active voice. I teach them. While changing the voice of a verb, we interchange the position of the subject and object. It comes, the object then comes into the subject. They. We should see, is it a singular subject or a plural subject? If the subject is singular, it will take are. If the subject is singular, it will take is. If the subject is plural, it will take are. If there is I in a subject, it will be am. They is plural subject. They are TAUGHT, tossed by me. PV, passive voice. In the second sentence, are tossed is therefore is said to be in the passive voice. Okay, subject plus V1 plus object. In the first sentence, it is active voice because the subject acts, I acts. In the second sentence, it is the subject is acted upon, it doesn't act. They are taught by me, मद्वारा तिनीहरूलाई पढाइन्छ। अनि यो के हो त, यो दे चाहिँ प्यासिभमा छ, पढाउने काममा आई के छ, एक्टिभ सक्रिय हुनमा छ। जस्तै आईले के गर्छ त, तिनीहरूलाई चाहिँ पढाउँछ। आई टिच देम, म तिनीहरूलाई पढाउँछु। दे आर टच्ड बाई मी, मद्वारा तिनीहरूलाई पढाइन्छ। आई लेट अस सी another example. I eat, RICE, rice. ACTIVE, active, VOICE, voice. Active voice. RICE, rice. Is EATEN, eaten by me. I को object me हुन्छ। हामीले चाहिँ सब्जेक्टलाई, the subject of the active voice becomes object into the passive voice. It, this one goes to the object. The object of the active voice becomes subject into the passive voice. It comes here. Okay, rice is eaten by me. By is kept with agent at the end of a sentence. According to our grammatical rule, main verb is changed into third form. Eat, ate, eaten. Eaten is also called past participle. Rice is eaten by me. In this sentence, in the second sentence, is eaten is said to be in the passive voice. Okay, are you clear? Have you got problem to learn voice? No? Similarly, we can see another sentence. She drives a car. SHECDRIVES, drives or CAR, car. AV, active voice. Subject plus V5 plus object. Which word is the subject in this sentence? This one is subject in this sentence. Which word is the object in this sentence? A car is an object in this sentence. Drives is the main verb. Drives is the main verb. Okay, let us see this example. The subject of the active voice becomes object into the passive voice. A car. The object of the active voice becomes subject into the passive voice. The object of the active voice becomes subject into the passive voice. It comes here. occur is. When we change the subject, when we exchange the subject and object, we must see, is it a singular subject or plural subject? Occur is only one car, it is singular. If the subject is singular, it will take is. If the subject is plural, it will take are. If the subject is, if there is I in a subject, it will take am. Occur is singular subject, that's why it takes is. Occur is driven, driven by her, her. Occur is driven by her. She drives a car. तिनीहरूले कार हाँक्छिन्. कार हाँक्ने काममा यो सब्जेक्ट सक्रिय छ, त्यसैले यो एक्टिभ भोइस भयो. Which active and which passive? The subject is active. She takes parts in driving. The subject is active in driving. In the second sentence, the subject occur is passive because it cannot move alone. The occur needs a driver. That's why it is acted upon. Occur doesn't act, it is acted upon. Okay, are you clear? Let us see another example. The cat chases the rat. The C-A-T, cat, C-H-A-S-E-S, chases the R-A-T, rat, A-V, active voice. The cat chases the rat. बिरालोले मुसालाई लखेट्छ. While changing the voice of a verb, we interchange the position of the subject and object. The rat will be subject in the passive voice. The rat, R-A-T, the rat. We must see, is it singular subject or a plural subject? If it is singular, it takes singular be verb is. If it is plural, it takes plural be verb are. If there is an I, if there is I in a subject, it will take am, no problem. The rat is C-H-A-S-E-D, chased by the C-A-T, cat, P-V, passive voice. Okay, the rat is chased by the cat. The cat chases the rat. Subject plus V5 plus object. It is in active voice. The second sentence is in passive voice. The rat is chased by the cat. मुसा बिरालोद्वारा लखेटिन्छ. C-H-A-S-E, chased, C-H-A-S-E-D, chased, C-H-A-S-E-D, chased, लखेट्नु, लखेट्यो, लखेटेको. The rat is chased by the cat. बिरालोद्वारा मुसालाई लखेटिन्छ. अब is, am, are used for simple present. The rat is chased by the cat. Likewise, we can do another example. We can learn lots of sentences. Dogs eat meat. D-O-G-S. Dogs eat M-E-A-T, meat. A-V, active voice. Active voice. We interchange the position of the subject and object. Meat, N-E-A-T, meat. We should see, is it a singular subject or a plural subject? If it is singular, it will take is. If it is plural, it will take are. Meat is eat, ate, eaten. Meat is eaten, eaten by dogs, dogs. कुकुरद्वारा मासु खान्छ. Is eaten, the verb is eaten is said to be in the passive voice. Let us see these two examples, which active and which passive. In the first sentence, dogs eat meat. Dogs is active in the to eat meat. In the second sentence, meat, the word meat is passive. It doesn't act, it is acted upon. Meat is eaten by dogs. That's why it is called passive voice. The second sentence is called passive voice. There are two kinds of voice. One is active, the other is passive. Similarly, we can do another example. We can study another example. children, children, make, make a loud, loud, noise, noise, active, active, voice, voice. Children make a loud noise. In this sentence, which word is the subject? This one is the subject. Children. It is subject. Subject. Make is the main verb. Main verb. All loud, noise, noise is object. Okay. We can see all loud, loud, all loud, noise, noise. All loud noise, it is singular subject. That's why it takes singular be verb is. All loud noise is. This is make is the main verb. Subject plus V1 plus object. Children make a loud noise. A loud noise is make, made, made. Made is the third form of the verb. Main verb is changed into third form. It is also called past participle. A loud noise is made, made by children, children. Is made, the verb is made is said to be in the passive voice. The verb is made is said to be in the passive voice. The verb make is said to be in the active voice. It is active voice. In the first sentence, children make a loud noise. In this sentence, the subject children is active. They make a noise. In the second sentence, a loud noise is in the passive because children produce loud noise. Which active and which passive? The subject is active in the first sentence. The subject is active in the second sentence. The subject a loud noise. It is in the passive. It is in the passive forms. Are you clear? You know. Likewise, we can see another sentence. Similarly, we can change another sentence. Chakka Chiring Lama sells books. CHAKA Chakka TSIRING Chakka Chiring LAMA Lama SELLS sells. Chakka Chiring Lama sells BOOKS books. It is called ACTIVE active, VOICE voice. Okay. Which is the subject in this sentence? Which word is the subject in this sentence? Chhakka Chiring Lama is the subject in this sentence. Shells is the main verb. Shells is the main verb. And books is object. Object. Okay. We can interchange the position of the subject and object. The subject of the active voice becomes object into the passive voice. Okay, you know, the object of the active voice becomes subject into the passive voice. Main verb is changed into past participle. Okay, at the end of a sentence, by is kept before an agent. We can see now books, books, books. She think about this subject. Is it a singular subject? Is it plural? Books, I think, is plural subject. It is plural. That's why it takes are. Books are S-E-L-L, sell, S-O-L-D, sold, S-O-L-D, sold, V1, V2, V3. Books are S-O-L-D, sold by Chhakka Chiring Lama. C-H-H-A-K-A, Chhakka, C-H-H-A-K-A, Chhakka, T-S-I-R-I-N-G, Chiring, L-A-M-A, Lama. It is passive voice. It is called passive voice. In the second sentence, the verb are sold is said to be in the passive voice. Books are sold by Chhakka Chiring Lama. पहिलो वाक्यमा छक्क छिरिङ लामा सेल्स बुक्स, छक्क छिरिङले चाहिँ किताबहरू बेच्छन् भने छक्क छिरिङ एक्टिभ किताब बेच्ने काममा। दोस्रो वाक्यमा यो सब्जेक्टको रूपमा रहेको बुक्सले केही पनि काम गर्दैन, छक्कद्वारा किनबेच गर्ने काम, बिक्री गर्ने काम गरिन्छ। त्यसैले छक्क छिरिङ लामा सेल्स बुक्स यो चाहिँ एक्टिभ भोइस भयो। बुक्स आर सोल्ड बाई छक्क छिरिङ लामा यो चाहिँ के भयो त प्यासिभ भोइस भयो। अब लेट अस सी another sentence. We can do it. She cooks our meals. S-H-E, C-O-O-K-S, cooks. O-U-R, our, M-E-A-L-S, meals. A-V, active voice. It is called active voice. Subject plus V5 plus object. Subject plus V5 plus object. We can interchange. We can exchange the position of the subject and object. Our meals can be put in the passive voice. Our meals can be put in a subject. Our M-E-A-L-S, meals. Our meals, हाम्रा भोजनहरू. It is plural subject. If the subject is singular, it will take is. If the subject is singular, it will take is. If the subject is plural, it will take are. In context of I, it will take am. Our meals are, it is plural subject, it takes are. Our meals are C-O-O-K, cook, C-O-O-K-E-D, cooked, C-O-O-K-E-D, cooked. Our meals are cooked, C-O-O-K-E-D, cooked by C को object H-E-R, her. यो चाहिँ P-A-S-S-I-V-E, passive, V-O-I-C-E, passive voice. It is passive voice. When the subject of a verb in a sentence act, the verb is said to be in the active voice. When the subject of a verb in a sentence is acted upon, it is said to be in the passive voice. The first sentence In the first sentence, the subject is active. She cooks our meals. The subject she is active. In the second sentence, our meals is the subject. It doesn't act. It is acted upon. The like this. Okay. The first sentence is called active voice. The second sentence, our meals are cooked by her. It is called passive voice. Now let us practice another sentence. We can make so many. They eat some oranges. We can make many examples. They eat SOME, some ORANGES, oranges. AB, active voice. Okay. Now let us exchange the position of the subject and object. In the beginning, the position of the subject and object are exchanged. Some oranges, SOME, some ORANGES, oranges. She, we must see. Is it a singular subject or a plural subject? I think it is plural. Some oranges are, they eat some oranges. Some oranges are EATEN, eaten by THEM, them. दिएको object them हुन्छ. यो PV, passive voice. In the first sentence, thus subject plus V1 plus object, it is in the active voice. Which active and which passive? The subject is active. In the second sentence, some oranges are eaten by them. The subject some oranges is not active. It is some oranges. The subject is passive. Some oranges are eaten. In these sentences, in the second sentence, the verb are eaten is said to be in the passive voice. Okay. In this way, we can change our sentences from active to passive. Like this, we can